Penelope. I'm going to show you where he sleeps here in a minute. She wants to be inside all the time. So she's kind of an outdoor / indoor cat. My kids will bring her indoors, but we have this automatic feeder that goes off. We have it 2 times a day, 7:30 in the morning and 5:10 at night. She's learned real fast where that happens. She wants to go inside because it's cold. There's our dog. If you can see, kind of a mutt. Very scared of everything. Really, really scared of everything. Last night, somebody left this out here. This was full of food and it was out there. Something, I think a raccoon or something, knocked it over and ate all the food. So, don't leave food outside. Let's go check out his bed. Scared that dog is of everything. Rescue. This is my 40 by 60 foot shed. I think that's right. That seems too big. This is a JVC camera I'm shooting this on. I'll give you the specs later, but this is my shed. We're gonna go in and check out the cat bed. I put this cat door in here, link in the description. It has a lock, so you can have it go one way or the other, but basically he can get in and out at will in the winter. There's my welding station. Here's the cat bed for now. It's not very good. I've got a heat lamp, a little blanket, kind of a little, and I got it on a timer. So that little timer, you push down the little buttons on the time you want it on and off, and I have it on at night. That's it. Cat bed. I got this at a garage sale. I put this thermal stuff on it because I had it to keep him warm. It's actually a little too small for him. Put a little door on it just for good measure. And there he is. If you stand still, he'll get closer and closer to you until he's rubbing your feet. Over here, I was going to try Whatnot, and I've got a bunch. I found a bunch of these for like $15 at a garage sale. These, whatever they, Infinity or something, Wii characters. Tons of these. Message me if you're interested in any of these guys. I'm going to sell them. I just look at that. He's fairly new to us. He's only been around a couple months. We had him as a kitten, but he's everywhere. Well, the reason I want him in here is because there have been mice and stuff, and he does catch them. What the fuck, man? We are taking a look at the Arcadia, Oklahoma chicken shack, and I'm going the wrong way, of course. Anyway, this is the east side. I will be going slowly. Take a look at the new and improved chicken shack. That's it. Apparently this is a hot spot in the middle of the day. We have it kind of hidden off here, but in the back, Indian motorcycle parking courtesy. In the back they've got lots of tables and stuff. And you can walk around back there. There's that. I believe in the summer, probably not right now, they've got an ice shack. And there used to be, for a minute, a very short period of time, what I mean, There was a pizza place here they tried to open, Pizza Shack. Now it's a butchery chop type thing. Back there is the Round Barn, the famous Round Barn. And we will be driving by that here in a second. Arcadia, Oklahoma, and we are coming up on the Pops, Soda Pop shop. Getting out and take a look. Route 66, Coffee Creek, December 2025. This awesome camera. It's really awesome camera. It's really, really high quality. Got it at a garage sale. Had to buy a new battery for it. It's funny, no one ever buys gas here. It's way, way high. Very high. Check the prices of the soda bottles. Let's see how much. Doesn't say. $2.99. We can get that. I can get that closer to $2 right now. Sody Pops. It's like a tree farm behind it. All the rows of trees, some kind of tree farm where they sell them. There's the bottle. Still here, Route 66, baby. Let's see what it looks like up close. This camera feels like it's zoomed in so much. Super zoomed in. Can't get very much in the frame at all. I've got it as far back as possible. A little dirty up there. What is this thing made of? Not too long ago I saw some guys out here, some guys working on the lights. Actually, physically working. What is it up close? Close, it's a bunch of bars, cracks, rust, what have you. Thought about making this 3D printing. I could probably do it. There's just a lot of gaps. It'd be kind of hard to print, you know. There'd be a lot of supports and things you'd have to worry about. But I might make this.